What's up, guys? This is Proforma 24 at Options Trading Pilot. I want to do a quick review of what just occurred today. Obviously, there's a lot of people hurting today, but as traders, what we want to be able to do is collect the right decisions to capture the trend that's occurring. So traders have an advantage at this point from investors because investors can't switch in and out that quickly. But join us at Options Trading Pilot. Come see us. But I'm going to give you this brief market review to show you where we are and where we might be headed. So you're seeing the weekly chart on the SPY, and you can see that we did break. We broke down at 443. This was a few weeks ago, and we've been in a downtrend. We had this long candle here that kind of gave us fits for a few days, right? And as far as those playing the downtrend, but you can see this big candle forming. This is a regular pattern that we can look at, and you can see the next fib line is hitting at 380. We're at 392 at this point. I'm pretty confident that we're gonna get to this bottom at 380. So we have to see a little bit more going, and let's switch to the daily chart that operates a little bit differently. Okay, so looking at this chart, notice that on the traders MACD we did cross over yesterday, and so what's interesting is we crossed over earlier than before. That tends to be pretty bearish. You can see that downtrend line, this gap down, that this is going to be something that bulls will have to contend with when we push back up. If we do get close, it'll be nice because it'll be a fast fill. But as of right now, you can see that we are likely to retest at 380 once again. So we have confluence on the weekly and daily charts, and so we would anticipate that sometime next week, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, we might get to that. So again, the market, a buyer can show up pretty much at any time. There is a little nice base right here that's sort of like acting as a support at 388. So that may occur. We're at 392 right now. But overall, I do anticipate this going down. The idea is we sell the rips up, and so we can make money that way. That's the short. And then let's look at the hourly bars to see how those are shaping up. There's a nice little rounded bottom occurring. The traders MACD might be turning around here, so there is a little hope after we saw this drive down. We've gotten 1-2 nice candles forming to the top side. We'll see what happens from here to the end of the day. This is against the trend, obviously. And lastly, let's look at the 5-minute bars. 5-minute bars are definitely rounded, much the same. Traders MACD had us come in here a while back, and you can see what's going on. But again, this is a weak market. We should anticipate it going down. It would be nice to close on a slight run up, but as you can see, there's just too much weakness. I hope that helps. Next week we should be looking at things on the downside, on the bearish side, and as always, things can turn around anytime, and you got to be ready. All right, you guys have a great weekend.